This is Alan Bush with the Daily Financial Forecast for Thursday, October 31st. Well, yesterday's news was the Fed meeting and the press conference. Today's news is the situation between U.S. and China. And apparently there's a bit less of an optimistic view as far as any type of trade deal. So yesterday with the Fed cutting rates, that helped stock index futures. Today, indices under some pressure with the U.S.-China trade situation apparently not going quite as well as some had hoped. Longer term, though, it still looks like stock index futures are headed higher, as it is my belief and has been that it's the interest rate environment that will continue to dominate and support the indices. Moving over to the currencies, seeing the euro currency higher with GDP in the Eurozone coming in better than expected, so a rare win as far as economic reports in Europe, helping the euro, putting pressure on the dollar index. Moving over to the interest rate futures markets, we did see some higher prices after the Fed meeting yesterday, but much stronger prices today as flight to quality buying re-emerges with the bonds at least 1.25 points higher across the board as well. Also, it does not look like there will be another cut in the Fed funds rate this year, and yet the trend still appears to be higher as central banks around the world to varying degrees are still in a position where they will be cutting rates. So look for higher prices in the interest rate futures markets across the board. Precious metals also showing some very good gains today. Flight to quality buying coming in there. And those markets, gold and silver, still appear to be in a bull market. So good trading, everyone. Once again, remember, these are my opinions alone and are not the opinions of ADMIS or Archer Daniels Midland.